right, let's talk all about the money. We're going over to the money man himself, Mike Eppel. And of course, we're talking earnings from the big banks, and always a big one to watch, Mike.
Yeah, we're starting the quarterly earnings season for the big banks. Good morning, Melanie. This morning with the CIBC, the first to report, and the results showing a little bit of a profit dip, but still making lots of money at the CIBC. $1.33 billion in the first quarter. They are raising the dividend to shareholders by 3 cents per share, and also talking about their U.S. operations, the diversified portfolio for the CIBC. We will track the stock coming up today on Bay Street. It was a winner yesterday, but year to date, CIBC, as many of the big bank stocks are, down so far for 2018. They did hit some records to start the year and then have subsequently pulled back. Despite the allegations of price fixing in the bread aisle, the consumer trends and feelings about the big grocery retailers haven't changed all that much, according to a survey in this morning by Leger Research, talking about how consumers have dealt with or reacted to the allegations and admission by some of the grocery retailers about price fixing on the price for bread over several years, basically holding steady. The one segment of the market that is a little bit more concerned, people aged 45 and older. Otherwise, it really hasn't changed consumer attitudes toward the grocery sector. Loblaws, incidentally, just reporting quarterly results this morning and coming in slightly above forecast. Shift changes at the GM Oshawa plant, reacting to the changing trends in the consumer market for cars and trucks. They're basically going to extend the slowdown of production of the Cadillac XTS and the Chevy Impala at the Oshawa line, and then ramp up production of the Chevy Silverado and Sierra pickup trucks later this year. They're not expecting any changes to the staffing levels at GM Oshawa, but in the U.S. right now, we're looking at a big increase in the demand for big pickup trucks, SUVs, and compact sport utility vehicles, and GM reacting to that. We'll send it back to the studio.